Hi, Khalid. My name is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today and just told you that I got a quick video going over your website. Just going to touch base on a few areas where you can get some new leads to your website alone. This is all completely free information. If you don't mind, just send me a quick email after you watch this and give me your thoughts, okay? So to start, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three aspects when ranking a website on the Google platform. Number one is going to be content, and content is anywhere actual text shows up on your website. You do have a little here, and an About Us column, and that's it. So I'm going to go over why content is so important to Google, okay? Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search option, right? Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds websites with good quality content, and naturally moves them up to the top of the platform. So in doing so, I'm going to recommend you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your web page alone. By doing this, you're going to get seen by Google and get a lot more traffic directed toward your business. With that said, we also recommend every additional service you offer, carpet, hardwood, tile, rugs, upholstery, all have their own separate page on your website. By doing this, you add content to your website, right, which we know Google likes, and B, you get ranked for different keywords. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is Ahrefs, and it gives me just an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we have nothing to work with right now, right? So you're not getting any traffic to your website. You're not ranking for any keywords. And what do I mean by keywords? A keyword is anything that people type in the search bar up here. So, carpet cleaning Houston, Texas is a great keyword to rank for. In order to be in this platform and be found on this search criteria, that phrase, carpet cleaning Houston, Texas, needs to be present in the content on your website. So finding good quality keywords to rank for are going to help you be seen and found by more clients. Next, another way of ranking is through citations, and I'm going to take you to the map here. You're probably familiar with a GMB, and if not, this is where a lot of businesses have Google My Business. So this is how we rank for citations. A citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages, things like that. There's hundreds of them out there. So the more you get, the higher up this platform you go. And we want to secure a top 3 position. Why? Because you're in front of people. And so you're going to get more visibility and more business on that alone. That's going to drive your citations up here. This DR is referred to as backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere that your business website appears on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good quality referring domains and backlinks are going to drive this DR number up. Once you start driving these two numbers up, you're going to create a lot of stability for your business as well as be seen by a lot more competition. So the primary thing I would recommend is to get good quality content, about 1,500 words of content on your home page, and then break every service you offer into its own separate page with 750 words of text and good quality keywords that you can rank for. Getting good citations, going up this GMB and securing a top spot here on the Google Maps, as well as getting good quality backlinks, getting a lot of influence and trust coming to your site. Well, Khalid, I hope this was good information. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Let me know what you thought about this, and I will be in touch soon. Bye-bye.